This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Lynch. Updated end unit townhouse on larger corner lot. Brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout first floor and new carpet from the stairs up. Beautifully updated kitchen and baths, new windows, doors, fixtures and lighted ceiling fans installed in living room and bedrooms. Fenced-in yard and patio with storage shed in the back and off-street parking. For more information, review the details below.